Hey you guys, welcome back. It's Hair by Francis here. It's your girl, Hair by Francis. I haven't been keeping up lately, but I wanted to share some good news with you guys. I am 25 weeks pregnant, and I'm pregnant with twin boys. I'm super excited. Our due date is in September. This review will be about this hair. I gave you guys to start off for this review. I brought this hair from Amazon. The lengths are 20/18/16 with a 14-inch lace closure. To start you guys right off back, I purchased this for about $149.99. I'll leave the link in descriptions below because it wasn't a set. I had to purchase it separately. If you do hear background noise, that is my son. He's in the living room watching television. But to get into this review, as you guys can see in the unboxing video, it was black, and I colored this hair using the L'Oreal magenta and red. This hair came in a very curly pattern state. The color in the dye did not remove that, which I liked. As you guys can see, this is from me combing it out, and I use a peppermint oil basically to kind of make it stay moisturized. Another thing that I do for my nightly routine is I twist my hair up like this, and then I just unravel it whenever I wake up. Typically it will leave me with looser curls, not as tight as you guys will see in the picture right here, but it has a really nice pattern that I like. This hair does shed, and for me, it's normal for curly hair to shed, but it does have a lot of shedding. The shedding, I would probably rate it a 3 out of 5. The overall quality of the hair to me is pretty decent for the price that you spend. I've had this hair in for about 2.5 weeks, and so far it's a lot of maintenance. Meaning you have to tie it up, you have to keep it moisturized, you have to make sure that you're constantly keeping some type of oil or conditioner or moisture on it so it won't tingle and it won't mat. For me, it's one of those hit or miss when you order on Amazon. So for me, I feel like this was a hit. Because the price is affordable, I feel like this is something that, you know, I could wear for maybe a month and then, hey, buy some more hair, versus spending like maybe $200 to $300 and then you have to buy more hair. I did sew in my hair, and I have this much hair left over. This is the 14-inch. I did seal my weft, so I was hoping the hair wouldn't shed as much. But as you guys can see, the wefts are pretty thin, so it was one of those things where I guess it was bound to happen. I do think that maybe if it was double weft, it probably wouldn't have happened like that, or if I would have used the there's a white sealant that people use when they seal their wefts. I just use Spray Check, like the basic regular clear stuff that only takes like maybe 10 to 15 minutes to dry, and then I like install it like 45 minutes later. The lace closure to me is a different texture than this hair. It's a looser pattern. Like this is more of a deepy, wavy type hair, and then this is more of a frizzy type hair. So it definitely helps when I twist it up at night because it helps it blend a lot better. For me personally, I would rate this hair a 6 out of 10 because it does shed a lot. You know, if you have a husband or fiance, they don't really like a lot of hair, and if you're eating or if you're on the go or if you're in the grocery store, you know, you don't really want to like have your hair like on your pants and stuff. And then when you run your fingers through it, I like the way that it feels, but you have to keep that I guess, like slow going, because as you guys can see, it will, you know. For me, the texture did not lose its pattern, and we are going to give it a Flatiron test today in this video, so you will see if it can take the heat or not. I have washed this hair about 4 times and it hasn't dried it out. More than anything, the curls go back popping. As you guys can see in this picture, this is after I got out the shower, and I didn't put any product on it. I just let it air dry. I typically let my hair air dry, especially if it's curly hair, because I like the way it comes out. Pretty much that's it. Yeah, I think that's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the Flatiron that I ordered off Amazon for about 30 bucks. And we're gonna use it on this hair to see if it passes the test, okay? So we'll be back. Hey you guys, so this is the Flatiron that I ordered off of Amazon. They actually sent it to me to test out. I used this on my natural client and I really liked it. Here's a video right here of 2 of my natural hair clients that I used it on, and it came out really smooth and nice. I actually found it to be quite fascinating. It came in this box, and it has instructions on it. It basically says beeps when the desired temperature is reached, 60-minute auto switch off, and it does turn off in 60 minutes because it turned off on me. It has a tangle-free cable. It is definitely tangle-free because they give you a case to put it in, you guys. And this is like amazing because I always wrap my cords around my Flatiron, so it kind of came in handy. And then on the back you use this little Velcro strap to basically put the wires in there and clamp it down. It does also say that it's a fast styler. In the video I'll show you when I get done of my natural client, I kind of put a little loose waves in her hair with this, and I actually liked it. It says 30 seconds, heats up fast, and it is perfect for straight curls or waves. I totally agree. We're gonna give it a test out on this hair that I ordered from Amazon. This is Deep Wave. Here is the Flatiron, you guys. It is touch, so I was like pretty surprised by it, and it has rose gold plates. Rose gold plates. Let's go ahead and turn this on, and we're gonna turn it up to, then you have to touch. It's literally a touch Flatiron. I've never had a Flatiron that was touch. It goes up to 450, so we're gonna turn it up to 450 and give it a go. I'm gonna take a piece from the back. It has a deeper pattern in it, and we're just gonna comb that part out. It shipped within about 2 business days, so I think I ordered it on Monday and I got it on Wednesday. I used it on my clients, and I compared it to my Baby Bliss one because that's the one that I typically use. It does have titanium plates like that one. It did leave a smooth effect on their natural hair. On this hair I have in peppermint oil, and so we're just gonna give it one good swipe away. It did beep, so that means it's ready. And there we go. We're gonna straighten it. Whenever you're straightening your hair, you don't want to just swipe it through. You want to at least apply a little pressure on it. This is from one swipe. Wow. And on my clients, it like straightened really good, you guys. This is literally just one swipe and it worked. Let's try a thick piece for like the people that have super thick hair and they definitely see. Oh, it is already. For the people that take the big chunks and they flat iron their hair, let's try that. And we're gently sliding it down. We're not like swiping it all the way. Do you guys see? I wonder if the color fading away. I can't really tell. Whoa, titanium plates. It definitely straightened. This hair definitely gets straight. I think I might straighten it all tonight. Oh yeah, that's super straight. So I guess compared to the curly length, it's an extra, wow. Look how straight that is. Compared to the curly hair, and I just swiped it one time. Wow. Let's try the lace closure, because the lace closure to me is a different texture. I'm going to give the lace closure a try. Ooh. See, that's what I mean by don't just swipe it through. I don't want to mess up the lace closure and it doesn't come back. But it's after 2 swipes of it. I think this is pretty effective. Yeah, that is. I think I'm gonna straighten this tonight. Yeah, this is really nice. I think I'm gonna straighten the hair all over. I would recommend this flat iron. It's definitely a 5 out of 5 for me. It heats up literally in 30 seconds, you guys, and I'm literally only swiping it like 1 or 2 times to give it not a lot of heat, because you know it's like steam processed hair, it does loses the curl texture. But if you guys want to purchase this flat iron, be sure to go to that description box and order it. I'll leave you guys links below and the name will be on the video. I really like this. Hey you guys, so after I flat ironed it with that amazing flat iron from Amazon, I went ahead and wet it, and as you guys can see, it did curl back up. I don't know if that's because I didn't use really a lot of heat, but it definitely curled back up. This is usually how it looks when it's wet, and then like I let it air dry, as you guys seen from the pictures. But if you want to order that flat iron or this hair, it'll definitely be in the description. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe, ladies, so you'll get all my updates when I upload my videos. I'll keep you guys posted on my twin pregnancy. Right now it's 25 weeks and they're boys. We're currently in the process of moving. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Stay blessed.